What's going on, guys? This is Corey from Elevator Crypto, and today we're going to be talking about why you need to buy Bitcoin right now. Stay tuned. If you were one of the early investors in Bitcoin and survived the 2017 boom and bust cycles, then you know that better days are ahead for us. Bitcoin's currently sitting at $15,500, and this is a very, very important price level. The days of a 4-digit Bitcoin are long behind us, with the last recorded price under $10,000 in September of 2020. As Bitcoin is extremely close to knocking out its $20,000 all-time high last seen in December of 2017, this next upcoming bull rally will be fueled by retail investors like you and I, driven through PayPal and Venmo adoption coming in 2021, and also institutional investors and hedge fund managers. Just today, billionaire U.S. investor Stanley Druckenmiller, who just weeks ago said he would be shorting the U.S. dollar, is now long on Bitcoin. Druckenmiller said on CNBC Monday morning that he owns Bitcoin, becoming the latest high-profile, ultra-high net worth investor to get in on the benchmark digital currency. Though he said his gold position is in many, many times larger than his Bitcoin allocation, Druckenmiller predicted his Bitcoin would outperform his gold holdings. Frankly, if the gold bet works, the Bitcoin bet will probably work better because it's thinner, more liquid, and has a lot more beta to it. It has a lot of attraction as a store of value to both millennials and the new West Coast money, and as you know, they have a lot of it. Druckenmiller also said he's anticipating a 3 to 4 year decline in the US dollar just weeks ago. Druckenmiller is not the only Bitcoin billionaire bull in the space. As many of you know, billionaire Tim Draper announced early on in the year his support for Bitcoin and setting an actual price target for the end of 2022. Tim Draper made a bold public call that the price of Bitcoin would reach $250,000 per coin by the end of 2022, something that I actually personally agree with as my price target for 2022. This basis is not just out of thin air. Tim Draper cited a couple major reasons that may drive this kind of price action. Draper believes that the US government's massive stimulus package will debase the value of the dollar and send people to crypto. He also expects that Bitcoin will see massive commercial adoption around the world within this time frame, all of which we can see happening right now. Now, when we look to these billionaires for investment advice, we like to look at their backstory or their history. What's the difference between Warren Buffett saying Bitcoin is bad and Tim Draper saying Bitcoin is good? Well, the difference is their credentials in the past companies that they invest in. Tim Draper's previous credentials include Baidu, Hotmail, Skype, Tesla, SpaceX, Angie's List, SolarCity, Ring, Twitter, DocuSign, Coinbase, Robinhood, Ancestry.com, Twitch, and Cruise Automation. Now, I'm sure you've recognized a lot of those names in that list. If I were going to take investment advice from somebody who knows what they're talking about, Tim Draper absolutely knows what he is talking about. Now, the data does back this claim that Bitcoin always does go up. Now, of course, Bitcoin follows approximately a 4-year cycle. You're going to have your boom and bust. You're going to have your bear market, which lasts 2 years on average. But the mean annualized return for Bitcoin is approximately 363% per year, making Bitcoin the best performing asset on the planet. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. When you compile all of this information together, we may be months, if not weeks, possibly days away from breaking the $20,000 all-time high. That is why you need to buy Bitcoin right now. If you don't buy Bitcoin right now, you'll definitely regret it for all of 2021. And while you're at it, make sure you like and subscribe this video. Thanks for watching, and let's elevate this crypto.